This will be the shortest video I have ever done. In a nutshell, I have spent all afternoon trying to hack the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. I'm usually able to get the Google Play Store and Google Play services etc. onto the device, but this new one is very different. It appears to me as though Fire OS 6 has finally closed the loop that allowed you to install Google APKs and then therefore the Google Play Store. Now, no matter what I have tried installing all sorts of different versions for every single architecture I can find, every version of Android, and nothing. Literally no avail. It appears as though Amazon have done something in order to prevent this. This is quite annoying because it does mean you can't put things like YouTube, the native YouTube app, on there, because that relies on Google Play services as well. I don't think there's going to be any way around this. This is a real shame. Part of the reason a lot of people were buying these cheap Amazon devices was because they knew they were able to put the Play Store on there. So, a bit gutted, but I just thought I'd put an update on here. If anyone has found a way around it, then please do let me know, and let me know how you did it. But I have tried every trick under the sun, and the Google Play framework will it'll install, but it won't work. Just to give you a bit of a look at what I've done, I'll just flip the camera around and we'll look at my screen. So there we go. This was the closest I got, to be honest with you. So I managed to get the Play Store installed, but then it's not compatible with my device. And YouTube opens and it starts to do something eventually. There we go. So it starts to load. I'm assuming it's looking for all of the Google Play framework to work out what to do with itself. But after a few seconds of this, you are left with this. So you're back on your apps. All of the APKs that normally help this run, it just says this. So the installed version of Google Services Framework cannot be opened. Please check for an available update on your library. And we have the same again. So that one's for Google Account Manager, can't be opened. And Google Play Services cannot be opened. So it is blocked, finally. Shame really, as I do quite enjoy using Google Play Movies to play my massive movie collection. So a bit of a shame there. But never mind, it just means I'm going to have two devices. Well, not necessarily, because I can play them directly on my TV, as it's a smart TV, but I was quite looking forward to being able to play some 4K stuff. I was hoping I'd be able to help you all out and get this installed. So you better start using the older devices if you want the Play Store on there. The last generation of Fire TV sticks, you could install the Play Store, and the version before that you could. But sadly, these new super quick ones, nope, you cannot do it. Anyway, that's it for this video. A bit of a rubbish one, I do apologise, but I just wanted to update you, as I'd been promising for a while that I'd try and do this, but to no avail. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you're not yet subscribed, then do hit the subscribe button below. I'll see you next time. Bye.